if you're ever out here at Big Lake in Arizona, I recommend hitting up the marina store. Kind of support the recreation area, support kind of the small business marina. Very nice vibe. There's some kids doing like practicing some like rodeo. I don't know, like where you catch the bull with a lasso. I don't know much about it, but cool area. Kind of an expensive little shop, but definitely cute. Something about a nice warm dinner with a smoked campfire smell. It's just amazing. Hopefully the night leads us to under the stars, clear skies, in a forest with the family. Can't ask for much better. I can think of one thing though, and that's s'mores. I think that's what we're gonna do next. Oh, good morning. I slept like a baby. I think I slept like almost 12 hours. Today, we're gonna eat more good food. Probably go fishing. We might go on a trail run and tan later. Just hang out in the wilderness again with the family. So, keep you posted.